Do you want to know how you can write your bio on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your account and write down your bio on your Temu account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, then go to temu.com. After you go to temu.com, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, hover around your profile, which is over here, and click on your profile. What you need to do next is click on this edit option, which is over here. So click on it and you can see the bio over here. Now you can write up to 100 letters over here. So you can see that you can write anything over here, but you can only write it up to 100 letters. So you can write about yourself. So write, hey, I am a male from Nepal. I love football. So you can write something like this, and then you can click save. And in a while you can see that your bio will be saved. So it's quite easy to write your bio, guys. All you need to do is open temu.com, make sure you are logged in, hover around your profile and click on your profile. Then click on this edit option and this is your bio. Now you can write up to 100 words on your bio and describe yourself. This way you can write your bio and others can see about yourself. And after you write down your bio, go ahead and click save. This way, your changes will be made. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.